What's going on, tubers? Been a little bit. Um, Last video that I left off at, I was just giving a little quick. I don't know. I got the car back up and running basically. Shaved the head, got to resurface, blah blah blah. But right now, what you see me do, I just finished putting in the ARP head studs in this block. Um, Last weekend, I had traded my B18B sleeve darting block that needed a little bit of machine work with the Eagle crank for a full B16a block that was disassembled, had a good crank, had ARP mains, ARP head studs, Eagle HP rods, and he gave me some JE pistons. Well, the pistons that he gave me were 81.5 20 over pistons, and luckily I had some standard bore JE pistons, SRPs. Yeah, that's right. This is a B16a. See it right there. I just finished putting it back in the ARP head studs. I have fresh OEM seals. I gotta put the rear main on. I already had the oil pump back on, sealed up with a brand new OEM oil pump seal. Window trays on, but if you look, you can see the ARP main studs. This block already had them, so I don't know if it was line hold or not. But regardless, if they aren't, you just torque them back to the OEM spec and use plastic gauge and get your oil clearance. It does have Eagle rods. I don't know if you can see the cap in there. Eagle rods, and it spins smoothly. Where we at? Let me get a wrench for y'all. I just been chilling, and yeah, I cut the beard. There's my single cam right there. Still running strong. Like I said, I'm running a D16Y7. I just bought the stage 3 cam for it. Hot cam, boy. You know, I gotta make all the juice. All the juice, you know what I'm saying? Either way, I got that motor is, the bottom end's running strong. I mean, it's running rich. I need to get it tuned, but I'm gonna wait until I get the cam in and switch over to a 4-bar. I got a Honda 4-bar sensor for it. But either way, you know how I do it. I stone glazed this, 3-stone, NPR rings, king bearings, new seals. Let me lock this in real quick so you can see that this spins freely. I mean, you guys, it's not that hard to rebuild a motor. I learned by myself just using a lot of the Non-Vtec and Google to get my clearances, but check it out. Barely nothing. Smooth as butter. And it's got good pressure. I got that cross hatch in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably can't see the cross hatch in there, but if you do, yeah, that's just a regular 3-stone honer off that old rally shelf. But anyways, like I said, I had traded for that bottom man, and he had gave me the B16 head. That's the only reason why I traded, because that LS block that I had got, he gave me a built LS head with it. The only thing that thing needs is cams. It's got springs, retainers, everything. Unfortunately, you know, this is just a 99 SI head. I think it's just all stock inside. I ain't really worried. I can always take it back off and put some a set of cams and springs and retainers in there. Shit's fairly cheap nowadays. And no, I ain't gonna be serious quite yet. I want to blow the single cam up. Knock on wood. Not anytime soon, not this year. But I might just keep this one single cam. Maybe eventually end up going out and picking up an EG hatch. So I love those, or EF, and do all-wheel drive. But you know, that's the plan. I want to go all-wheel drive eventually. I just don't know when funds are right and the world is right. I don't know, but like I said, just finished putting these on. I got brand new OEM cam seals. I got the head gasket. I got OEM dowels. I mean, things still missing. I'm still missing some things. I'm missing water pump setup, timing belt setup. I'm gonna get a new pulley, water pump, timing belt. I gotta get a new cover for it because it didn't have a lower cover. Didn't have oil pan. I'm probably gonna go on Moroso oil pan just so it's already tapped and I can put a dash 12 bung on there already. It's missing this the connecting water pipe for in thermostat housing. I gotta find that. I know any of them will work. Yeah, I still got that LS. And I still got them Manly turbo top rods and the CP pistons, and I got an extra set of JEs. Maybe get some money up, send it out to get CSS. I mean, cheaper route. It's, you know, if I'm gonna put those rods in there, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna hit at least 750, 800. If I do go B series at one point. But anyways, guys, y'all stay safe. I'm waiting on the stage 3 cam to come in. I'll put a video in on how I locked that VTEC in there and that Y7 head and put a VTEC cam the proper way or the cheaper way, so you don't have to bust a knuckle or do anything. It's fairly simple, you guys. You can take your Y7 head and make it VTEC all the time. Which, boy, that power band run out high, low. Well, yeah. Either way, it'll sound nasty when I get that stage 3 cam in. You guys stay safe out there. Much love, peace, and I did shave the beard, but oh well, it grows.